Hello, Bladers. Are you planning on a long drive this weekend? Then check out this video. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. How to prepare for a long drive? You've got to plan your stopovers. Long-distance driving may sound like it is a piece of cake, especially for passengers and for seasoned drivers out there. In reality, the trip can be very difficult for everyone. Being the designated driver means you need to be alert and awake all the time, and passengers can be bored to death, leaving them with no choice but to sleep or keep busy with their gadgets. Plus, the additional back and muscle strain from sitting for long periods of time can leave everyone in discomfort. You also have to stretch your muscles. Sitting still for long hours can cause a lot of discomfort. You are going to experience back pain, neck pain, and muscle cramps. But even if it's common, it doesn't necessarily mean that we have to ignore these scenarios. Please bring some pillows. Long drives can definitely make passengers fall asleep in a matter of hours. In order to make them feel comfortable, better make sure to bring some pillows with you. Since traditional bedroom pillows are heavier and bulkier, you can opt for a travel neck pillow that is filled with micro balls, or the inflatable version will also be good enough. Dude, do not overload the vehicle. We all know at this point that long driving can cause discomfort for everyone. Another thing that can add to their discomfort is the lack of legroom and headroom. To avoid these from happening, it is either to limit your passengers or look for a bigger car. Dress appropriately for the trip. Long hours spent on the road and inside the car can be uncomfortable, especially if we are wearing the wrong type of clothing. It is recommended that you wear comfortable clothing made of cotton so you can move freely without being too conscious about your movements. Bring your car to a mechanic for a checkup. Make sure that it is in tip-top shape. Make sure that the car is in good condition before deciding to use it on a road trip. A car breaking down in the middle of nowhere is every traveler's nightmare. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the things you've been doing when preparing for a long drive? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.